Grammar presentation. Time. Another critical aspect of our jobs and our normal lives is the time. It is extremely important to know what time we start and finish work, what time we meet our friends, what time we can check in and check out of a hotel, and in many other situations. There are two ways to ask about times: when and what time. Examples: when does the bank open? What time does the bank open? When can I call you? What time can I call you? There are two methods to tell the time. One method is extremely easy and the other is more complicated. Unfortunately, similar to prices, if we ask about the time, we must be prepared to understand the answer, and some people always say the time using the difficult method. Method 1. The easy way to tell the time: read the numbers. When the time is exactly 0 minutes, we always say o'clock. Examples: it's 12 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's important to remember that we do not say the before the hour. It's completely incorrect. When the time is between 1 minute and 9 minutes, we say the number of the hour, then O, and then the number of the minute. Examples: 7:01, 9:06. When the time is between 10 minutes and 59 minutes, we say the number of the hour and then the number of the minute. Examples: 11:47, 5:23. Method 2. The more complicated way to tell the time, with past and to. When the time is exactly at 00 minutes, we always say o'clock. Examples: it's 12 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. When the time is 15 minutes, we say quarter past the hour. Example: 2:15, 10:15. Notice that in this system, we say the minutes first and the hours second. When the time is at 30 minutes, we say 6:30. Examples: 6:30, 8:30. When the time is between 1 and 29 minutes, we always say the minutes, then past, and then the hour. Examples: 9:12, 4:25. When the time is at 45 minutes, we say 1:45, then the next hour. Examples: 6:45, 7:45. When the time is between 31 and 59, we say the minutes until the new hour, then 2, and then the new hour. Examples: 10:06, 7:25. Notice that from 31 to 59, it is necessary to count the minutes until the new hour. Also, we must say the new hour, not the hour that appears on the clock. Examples: it's 4:45. It's 7:05. Always listen for the word past or to, so you do not confuse 3:10 with 3 past 10.